Hi guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to make money using TikTok. Yes, most of us use TikTok, every day without knowing that there's actually a way to make money out of this platform without having to spend our time and our data every time on the platform. Okay, we can actually make some money off the platform also. So that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. So make sure to stay all the way to the end. Let's get started, guys. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the channel Success Enterprises. I'm Dimo, and this channel teaching about trading, investing, marketing, e-commerce, and a lot when it comes to making money online. So if this kind of content is what entices you, make sure to smash the subscribe button, enable notifications so you get updated whenever I drop awesome video like this. Okay, so also like the video at the end. If you get value, it actually helps the YouTube algorithm. And also, as you guys know, we're always doing a giveaway of our ebook. So this is our ebook on ultimate online streams of income. Okay, we're selling it for $10, but if you sign up down below, we're going to give it to you for free. Send it to your email for free, $0. Okay, so make sure to sign up down below and get this giveaway ebook. Okay, so let's get started what we have today. Now I'm going to teach you how to leverage TikTok. Okay, so most of us know TikTok as this platform where we actually go and enjoy ourselves, watch funny videos, watch trending videos and all that. But what if I told you we could actually leverage the TikTok platform to our advantage? Yes, TikTok is one of the easiest, if not the easiest platforms to go viral on. Okay, the algorithm works in a way that anyone could actually go viral. Okay, you've seen stupid videos actually go viral on TikTok, and that's how the algorithm works. Okay, so we're going to look at how to leverage this to an advantage. But first things first, what we're doing here is to actually make money from TikTok via affiliate marketing. Yes, we're trying to implement an affiliate marketing strategy that's going to work with TikTok. Okay, so I'm going to be exposing more TikTok money making strategies, okay, in subsequent videos, because TikTok is a booming strategy, a booming platform for e-commerce right now. Yes, because of how the algorithm works, it's easy to go viral on TikTok. Okay, so many e-commerce store owners and people that sell stuffs online, whether affiliate marketing or drop shipping or service products, anything, actually using TikTok now to drive sales to their business. Okay, so it's time for us to actually leverage that. Okay, so now first things first, since this is actually something on affiliate marketing, it makes sense to open an affiliate marketing account. You guys know I recommend ShareSale, so go over to ShareSale. I'm going to leave the links down below. The link to signing up for a ShareSale affiliate account is going to be down below. Okay, so now when you're in ShareSale, you have to go to merchants, search for merchants, and get a product you actually promote. Okay, so now when choosing a product, I usually advise you look at two things: supply and demand, because that's basically what rules the world. Supply, is this product is this a product you can actually make money from? Is this something you can sell? And then demand, if people are actually there to buy this product. Okay, if it's something that people actually want. Okay, very very important. The closer we try to balance these two sides of the whole equation, the better. Okay, so the example I'm going to use in this video is going to be on a manifestation affiliate marketing program. Okay, so I've tried to look for things around the manifestation topic or niche. So I saw these products on leadership, relationship, because I like this manifestation niche because it's kind of broad. Fitness can go into this, weight loss can go into this, dating and consultations can go into this, motivational speakers can go into this. So this is a very broad niche because it's about you manifesting anything you want. I just found out this niche last year. Okay, it's a very broad niche and it's a very nice low-key niche that people are not talking about. Okay, so the more low-key this thing is, the better, because as you can see, this guy has 148,000 followers and 1 million likes. That means something is actually going on here. Okay, and it's a very broad niche. Like, look at this product. Like the The advertiser is saying it, you could apply to leadership, relationship, excellence, encouragement, motivation. It's a whole lot of broad niche. Ideally, I won't recommend this product. I'm just showing you something on the motivational manifestation niche. Okay, why I won't choose this product is because it has a very low earning per conversion. Okay, so it's very very low. So the better this thing, the higher this is, the better. Okay, because we're actually here to make money. So make a time to choose an affiliate product you can be able to sell. Okay, as the saying goes, try to would you rather spend 100 days cutting down a tree, or spend 99 days sharpening your axe so that you only spend 1 day cutting down the tree? This applies here too. Okay, so make a time to find a good affiliate program, okay, affiliate products or niche to actually promote. It's where the game changer lies. Okay, because if you find a good product to promote, okay, you're going to not only find it easier to sell, it's going to be something you enjoy doing, and it's going to make more money for you. Okay, so I'm not saying you must go with what I have here. I'm just trying to give you some things I look out for when joining affiliate programs. Okay, very very important. Remember the supply. Look at the matrix. Is this something that is actually worth your time? Is this something that you can sell? Is this something you have passion in? Okay, so and then you look at the matrix. If I sell this product, how much am I going to make? Those kind of things. You can see this one has an earning per share of $58, and all this kind of stuff. Okay, is this something in a niche I'm interested in? And then talk about the, of course, the demand. Do people need this? Like in this case, this in a weight loss product. I love the weight loss niche because it's something that is in high demand. People keep getting fatter every day, and people want to lose weight almost every year, every month, and stuff like that. So it's high demand. People want it. So you just have to find a way to make it work for you. Okay, so choose the right program. It must not be something I'm recommending here. Just choose something within your circle of competence. If you're the beauty person, you go for the beauty niche. If you're the sports guy, this platform has a lot of merchants in almost every niche you can think about. Okay, so now let's go over to the next part. Let's say you figured out your affiliate product. You have a product now to sell. Okay, so when you have your product, you can actually join the program, and you can then start promoting right away after you get accepted. But here on this platform, most of these advertisers, it's pretty easy to join them, and you should probably get accepted right away. Okay, so you can have access to the to the links you'll be using to promote these products. So after now, you just need to now start working on your TikTok. Okay, now I want to drop a few keynotes here. It's not very very hard. Opening a TikTok is not hard. Okay, it's just like opening an Instagram account. So you just but remember, we're doing this in a kind of business fashion now, not just a private TikTok. Okay, we want to open a business TikTok account. Okay, so after opening a TikTok account, make sure it's a business TikTok account so that you're able to add your link in bio. The personal TikTok account doesn't have this function, okay, as of now. Okay, so make sure it's a business TikTok account so that you're able to add links. Remember, these links are how we're actually going to link to these products we're advertising. So now you choose a name for a business. You can see this guy has chosen 15 minutes manifest, because we are going with this as a brand. Okay, so that we actually tell people when we know what we're doing. Okay, so you can choose a name, and then another thing I want you to do for me is to get a logo. It must not be something too fancy or something like that. Just something simple should be okay to go. You could actually search your niche so that you can get something. If it's in the beauty space, you can search something within the industry of beauty, and Canva is going to give you nice beauty logos for you to get started with. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link to Canva. It's going to be down below because you'll be needing it a lot here. Okay, then your logo, just pick something very very simple. Let's say you pick something like this. You could change the text to your to your brand. Okay, so it could be house motivation. Okay, or choose a good name, change it, and maybe change the coloring, and just download it, and pretty much it's going to be your new business logo. Okay, because we're going with this as a business. Okay, and then you actually write a short bio about your business. Okay, you could tell them your value proposition. You say here, I'm going to give you the best content in losing weight, click the link in bio, all those kind of stuffs. Okay, and then you put the link to this affiliate program in your bio. Okay, and now let's talk about how to create content proper on this platform. Okay, you can see the kind of videos this guy is posting, and I'm pretty appreciative that this guy is making a lot of money from this. Okay, now this is an affiliate link, by the way. I clicked it and it's an affiliate link, just like what you'll be getting from these affiliate programs. And when you go, he's not even showing his face. He's a, whether is it he or her. Okay, so he or she is not actually posting a video that shows his face. Okay, so is something you could actually design, and I have an idea about that. You can actually design this kind of videos on Canva. I dig further into this and I found a lot of these videos are not even showing their face. Some actually do, while that's, let's say something like this, you could see something like this where it has a bot in the background and just text talking about things in the video. Okay, so try to look at this thing. Like I said, the best way to actually become better is by looking at your competitors. Okay, look at what your competitors are doing. Try to, whatever, there's no need to reinvent the wheel. So whatever you're looking for, I'm pretty sure that someone has done something like that or even done that. Okay, so just take a leaf from those things and try to find a way to do it even better. Okay, so in this case, you can get this kind of video, you can design this kind of thing right now on Fiverr. Okay, you can design it on Fiverr. So you'll be needing Canva a lot for this thing. And then once you have your video, is pretty much like this thing is pretty much a video in the background which you can get on Canva via the templates, and then simple tests talking about these things. You can actually get practically this test and still put it on your video. Okay, but you could actually get a different video than this. Okay, so you can actually create something unique. So you decide how many times you want to post, and whether it's once or 3 times or 4 times, 5 times, 10 times a day. But you just need to be very, very pretty consistent. Okay, because consistency is key in this business. Okay, so now the idea is actually give people a value proposition, give them content that they actually relate with, some content that they like. You can see people actually like watching this guy's content. He's getting thousands of views on this, and this kind of video I can pretty much make it on Fiverr like in 2 minutes. You see this video, this is just a video of someone counting money in the background. Look at where I'm hovering my mouse, and then he's just making tests. Okay, so you can actually do the same thing with this. I know how to make these videos I know how to make. You can literally make them on here on Fiverr. I'm pretty sure that's where he or she made this video from. Same thing here. So in this manifestation niche is pretty much to make this kind of videos. That's why I chose it, but I'm not saying it's necessary what you must do. But the point of this video is to give you a general idea so that you can actually apply in whatever niche you want to venture into. And it's not that tough. Hopefully as you keep doing this and as you keep becoming pretty consistent, before you get your first 1,000 followers, you must have been making money out of this. Okay, so now when it comes to TikTok, a lot of people usually say the best way to make money via social media is by becoming an influencer. Okay, but to become an influencer is not even a day's job. You need to get a lot a reasonable amount of followers before you even get sponsorship deals. Okay, which is majorly how these influencers make their money. Okay, it's very, very tough to actually build followers, although it might not be that hard like the other platforms here on TikTok. Okay, so but then it's still hard. It's not easy to get more than 100,000 people listening to you or watching your videos. I really commend this a lot. It can be a lot of work, but then here is actually a strategy that can help you make money even before you hit the 1,000 follower mark. Yes, it's very, very possible. So I believe this is a challenge, so you can actually go and get started right away. Please guys, make sure you're implementing the strategies I'm showing you guys in this video. The point of making this video is so that you can actually go in and try this out. You never know what's going to work for you. Okay, that's why I keep bringing strategies on post strategies, because I know one thing is not going to work for everybody. There are some that are going to find this TikTok method favorable for them. Some are going to find the Facebook method I taught in the previous video. Some are going to find the blogging kind of video. I know that. That's why I keep piling these strategies. So go back in and test it. It could be what is going to be the game changer for you guys. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's it for this video. I believe you've learned a lot in this video. So if you did, make sure to stay in touch with our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and enable notifications so you get alerted whenever I drop awesome content like this. And also drop a like, because I know you actually learned a lot from this video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It helps YouTube recommend this video to a whole lot more other people who are looking for money making videos like this. So make sure to do that. And I actually appreciate you guys who watch my videos all the way to the end so much, guys. It means a lot to me. I can never be ungrateful to you guys. So I encourage you to keep watching my videos all the end. The intention is to give you value, and that's what we're going to be doing, okay, on this channel. So make sure to keep doing this. Make sure to keep supporting us by watching our videos and sharing it to your friends and family. If you require any help in setting these services up, whether setting up a professional account, setting up your affiliate account, designing your logo or anything, reach out to us. The link is going to be down in the description below. All the links I've mentioned in this video are going to be down in the description below. Make sure to use them, especially the link to signing up and getting this ebook for free. So that's it, guys. I'm going to see you in the next video. As usual, stay safe and peace.